Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix this app can't be activated when UAC is disabled. First method is type user control in Windows search bar, click change user account control settings. Second method is type Registry in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click system. Open Enable LUA, change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.